How to loop over grouped pandas data frame. Data frame? Code. I'm trying to just loop over the aggregated data, but I get the error. Value error, too many values to unpack. At Edgem, here's the expected output. The output is not the problem. I wish to loop over every group.
df.groupby l_customer_id_i.ag lambda x column comma dot join x does already return a data frame, so you cannot loop over the groups anymore. In general, df.groupby ... returns a groupby object, a data frame groupby or Sarah's groupby, and with this, you can iterate through the groups, as explained in the docs here. You can do something like when you apply a function on the groupby, in your example df.groupby ... ag ... but this can also be transform, apply, mean, you combine the result of applying the function to the different groups together in one data frame, the apply and combine step of the split apply combine paradigm of groupby. So the result of this will always be again a data frame, or a series depending on the applied function.
Here is an example of iterating over a pd.dataframe grouped by the column atable. For this sample, create statements for an SQL database are generated within the for loop.
You can iterate over the index values if your data frame has already been created.
Leave 0 segundos.